Just अभी टॉस हुआ है.
अब encouragement आएगा हमारी from the bench. How are you, sir? Welcome. Very well. Oh, yeah.
Hi, sir.
Welcome. How are you, sir? Hi, sir. How are you?
The men's doubles, we have the second game about to start, while the next doubles over 40 finals is also start.
Hi, sir. How are you? My son is playing. Very easy.
Is there sir one game up?
Next double.
Yeah, of course.
Everything is easy like other phone. How are you?
Can those sitting outside on the other side of the fence please join us? And we can have that food a little later, please. All of you join us. It has been a tough tournament. People need to be feted on their victories. All of you please join us. Chandrika, Amit, Shrey, where is the executive?
Sir, everyone is here on this side of the court.
Okay. I didn't say Vikram, Janki.
I request everyone who are standing at the food stalls to please come over towards the court area where the prize distribution ceremony is to take place. Everybody on the other side at the food stalls, please come over to the court area. Good evening, everyone.
All of you youngsters, please join us on the other end. None of those eats are going to go away.
Hello.
Come over, people would like to have you there.
May I request everyone to be please attentive. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the Executive Committee of the Delhi High Court Bar Association, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome everyone today for the prize distribution ceremony of the first edition of the pickleball tournament organized by the DHCBA. The Executive Committee of the DHCBA thanks Honorable Mr. Justice V. Kameshwar Rao, Honorable Mr. Justice Nitin Vasudev Samre for taking out their precious time to join us today for the ceremony. Thank you so much, sir. I request our President, Mr. N. Hariharan, to please welcome Honorable Mr. Justice V. Kameshwar Rao and please present a plant to your Lordship, sir. Thank you, sir. I now request our Vice President, Mr. Sachin Puri, to please welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Nitin Vasudev Samre and please present a plant to your Lordship. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I now request our Joint Secretary, Mr. Kunal Malhotra, to please welcome Mr. Vikas Singh, President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, who is there with us today. Please present a plant to Mr. Vikas Singh, Senior Advocate. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for being here. The tournament, the pickleball tournament, which was inaugurated on 22nd of August, concludes today. The tournament was played across 5 categories each for members who are above 40 years old and for members who are below 40 years old. The categories were men's singles, women's singles, men doubles, women doubles and mixed doubles. It's a proud fact that more than 300 of our members participated in the tournament, sir, with great enthusiasm, making the tournament a resounding success. Nearly 300 matches were played in all. I congratulate everyone for making this tournament a success. I am told that this was the world's biggest tournament for lawyers so far. Pickleball tournament. I would also like to take this opportunity to extend our gratitude to the members of our bar who have generously sponsored the trophies for the various categories. The sponsors are Mr. N. Hararian, our President, Mr. Sachin Puri, Senior Advocate, our Vice President, Mr. Sandeep Sharma, Senior Advocate, former Secretary of the DHCBA, Mr. Abhijat, former Secretary of the DHCBA, Mr. Sandeep Prabhakar, Senior Advocate, Mr. Kunal Tandon, Senior Advocate, Mr. Mohit Gupta, Advocate, former Treasurer of DHCBA, Ms. Ranjana Roy, Advocate, Mr. Rajat Wadhwa, former Joint Secretary of DHCBA, and Mr. Prateek Latra, e-notary. He is an advocate himself.
I'm just informed that they've all said 1 lakh for the added for the winner and 50,000 for the...
The money is already deposited with Mr. Lal.
Give it to them, that's very generous.
I would also like to extend our gratitude to various organizations and persons who partnered with us in providing logistical support.
Mr. Lal is a very generous man. He has added another 1 lakh to that.
Yes, agreed.
For the Punjab flood relief. Thank you very much, Mr. Lal.
I thank our partners for providing logistical support for the tournament. They are Indian Pickleball Association 1, 2 Speed Up Club, Mr. Manresh, who has held up in setting up all the courts here. Law Street Journal, Mr. Harshvardhan, Law Strings Management, Mr. Shubham Malhotra, Cloud Broadcast, Mr. Sangpreet, Jersey Design Partner, Mr. Park. Another mention is being made of Mr. Siddharth Chaudhary, son of Advocate Mr. Satish Chaudhary. He is given 42 gift hampers for the winners and runners-up of each category. And the brand Sevor Hair Care and Skin Care Ayurvedic products are being given by him as gift hampers. Here at this stage, I would like to make a special mention of our staff. DHCBA staff, especially Roshan, Anup, Ayush, these are a few names who ensured that the infrastructure and logistics were in place. I thank the staff also for organizing this tournament. And finally, the finalists and winners, congratulations on your remarkable performances. And I request our President, Mr. Hariharan, now to please give a address on the occasion and give a speech.
Good evening, everybody. What an end to a tournament, isn't it? And I love the spirit, the sportsman spirit exhibited. The spirits will be provided by Mr. Lal. He's decided to sponsor it. It was wonderful hosting all of you. And this tournament has been, as my friend and Honorary Secretary Vikram had stated, a resounding success. And that success has happened because of the participants to begin with. The sponsors who have been very generous in sponsoring. Each of these titles have got sponsored. It's a different kind and mode by which we are trying to promote sport. There has been this activity going on in various sports disciplines. It will continue. We are looking forward now to something called box cricket, something, what? Futsal. And there should be more footfall in futsal, I'm sure. Hockey. And the cricket tournament on demand from the judges also. We intend playing an exhibition match with them. Very soon, badminton. So therefore, there's going to be a series of tournaments. I have only asked for one small thing from my bar, the members, that please don't ask me for money. Generate it yourself. And they are doing it, thankfully. So before I end this address, there is one small appeal I have to make to each one of you. The situation in Punjab and the neighboring states is really bad. I decided to use this platform. Please be sporting enough to contribute generously. Whatever measure you can, जैसे कहते हैं श्रद्धा आपकी, जो भी आप देंगे हम हाथ जोड़ के लेंगे और पहुंचाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर।
The sponsors who are present here, I would like to felicitate them also. I would request Mr. Sandeep Sharma to please come forward. He is present with us. And I request Amit Chaudhary, our member executive, to please present him with the plant. Mr. Sandeep Sharma, senior advocate, former secretary of the DHCBA.
Sandeep, money plant है, money नहीं है। I know खुश लग रहे हो।
I welcome Mr. Sandeep Prabhakar, senior advocate, and I request Chandrika Gupta to please present him with the plant.
Oh, Prabhakar! हमारी lunch table का plant हो गया।
I now request Mr. Kunal Tandon, senior advocate, to please come forward, and I request Nitish Mehra to please present him with the plant. I request Ms. Ranjana Rai, advocate, to please come forward, and I request Shresh Rawat to please present her with the plant. Mr. Shresh Rawat.
The winner of the women's singles.
Now I request Mr. Prateek Lagra from E-Notary to please come forward, and I request Lakshay Kaushik to please present him with the plant.
There are two people. Ravi is also there. Ravi, please.
It is requested that Mr. Avi should also be there along with. We have with us Mr. Anil Soni, senior advocate. I request sir to please come forward, and I request Ms. Vidhi Gupta to please present a plan to Mr. Anil Soni, senior advocate. We welcome you, sir. Now I request our honorable judges, I request Honorable Justice V. Kameshwar Rao to please address us on this occasion. We are thankful to sir that sir was here also on the inauguration ceremony.
Thank you, Vikram, and Mr. Vikas Singh, the President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, my colleague, my younger brother, Justice Nitin Samre, Mr. Hariharan, the President of the High Court Bar Association, all the senior counsels who are present, everyone who are present, and our young audience who are here. Well, it's been, I think, 3 weeks that I inaugurated this, hearing that around more than 300 advocates who had participated in this tournament talks a lot about bonhomie in the Bar Association. And I must say, touch wood, this spirit must continue. It's not only confining to pickleball, it should be in all the sports. And very well, your president was saying that we will have a match with the judges. We have put only one condition: everyone should be above 50 years. And possibly additionally, we should have at least 2 female from our side judges and 2 female lawyers who should make part of the team. Then only it would be the level playing field. And I expect that the Bar Association will continue to, continue the tradition, this condition, and in every year to come. And I must congratulate each of the participants who had taken part in this tournament. That's more important. The spirit is important. And surely congratulations to the winners and the runners-up who have won this tournament in all format of the tournament. Thank you very much. Looking forward.
You declare Monday a holiday now.
You had almost half a holiday today.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice Nitin Vasudev Samre to please address us on this occasion, sir.
Permit me to address from
Yes,
here.
sir. Please, sir.
A very good evening to you all. The judicial discipline which
I am taught, says that never say anything when your senior judge is saying something in this court. And let me tell you, whatever is said by sir was told by me to him to speak. In lighter vein, there are 2-3 issues which I would like to flag. One thing that I have learned is that how to get the sponsorship in cash and return in kind with this plant. Money plants are being given. I really appreciate the wiseness of the association. And the second thing is the deceptivity of a lawyer, which is not approved in the court of law but appreciated here. I think those who perform with deceptivity have won the game. So it is appreciated here. My congratulations to you all for participating. And one more thing I must say, that I really appreciate the presence of the President of the Supreme Court Bar Association with his 3rd generation on the court. Your grandchildren are here. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. I must apprise all of you that Honorable Justice Nitin Vasudev Samre himself was a good sportsman during his college days. Now I'll start with the prize distribution ceremony. I'll request Justice V. Kameshwar Rao to please present the first 5 trophies along with the sponsors who have sponsored these categories. For the first category, is women's singles below 40. And I must inform you that this trophy has been sponsored by our President, Mr. N. Hariharan, in the loving memory of his mother, late Miss V. Subha Lakshmi. The winner in this category is Miss Rimali Batra. May I request Miss Rimali Batra to please come forward and collect the trophy. In that case, I request Mr. Sachin Puri, our Vice President, to please collect. I am told that she has requested Mr. Puri to collect it on her behalf.
Sir, please. Thank you.
The runners-up in this category is Miss Sanjeevani Pat Joshi.
Thank you.
The second category is mixed doubles above 40. This trophy has been sponsored by Mr. Sachin Puri, Senior Advocate, in the loving memory of his father, Shri S.K. Puri, a former member of the Bar, Secretary of the Bar. The winner is Mr. Puneet Rai and Miss Rukmani. I request the 2 of them to please come forward and select the trophy.
Come this side. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
So they lost in the league to them. In the finals, they lost in the league. But
Congratulations, winners. The runners-up in this category is Mr. Chandalal, Senior Advocate, and Miss Swati Bhale.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I could see your fitness in the this court also. Great.
Thank you.
The third category is men's singles below 40. And this trophy has been sponsored by Mr. Sandeep Sharma, Senior Advocate, in memory of his father, late Shri D.P. Sharma, a member of our bar. The winner in this category is Mr. Akshay Arora. I request him to please come forward.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
The runners-up is Mr. Kunal Dutt.
Yes, sir. Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
The next category is women doubles above 40. This trophy has been sponsored by Mr. Abhijat, Senior Advocate, our former Secretary of the Bar, in loving memory of his father and mother, Dr. Krishna Pal Parashar and Dr. Pratima Krishna Bal. I request Mr. Abhijat is not here present with us today. Ms. Chinmay Shukla is here to give the trophy on his behalf. I request Ms. Prachi Vashisht and Swati Malik, the winners, to please come forward and collect the trophy.
Yes sir, please. Thank you.
The runners-up for this category is Ms. Diya Kapoor, Senior Advocate, and Ms. Shail Trehan, Senior Advocate.
Yes sir. Thank you.
The next category is men's singles above 40. This trophy has been sponsored by Mr. Sandeep Prabhakar, Senior Advocate, in memory of his late father, Dr. T.R. Prabhakar. And the winner in this category, I request Mr. Sandeep Prabhakar to please come over. The winner in this category is Mr. Karthik Nair. The father was here to cheer him up during the finals. The kids are here, the wife is here. Everybody, the three generation was here to watch the tournament. The runners-up in this category, Mr. Ketan Madan. The entire family of Ketan is here.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay, no issues.
They were here. They were here.
I say you're like, this is like.
Thank you.
Sorry, this is like.
The next category is men's doubles below 40. This trophy has been sponsored by Mr. Kunal Tandon, Senior Advocate, in the memory of his father, Shri Ranjan Tandon. We request Mr. Kunal Tandon to be there for handing of the trophy. I also request Miss Anchal Tandon, wife of Mr. Kunal Tandon, to be there at the dais to please present the trophy. The winner in this category is Mr. Varun Singh and Mr. Aman Anand. I request Mr. Vikas Singh, Senior Advocate, to also be there at the dais. I request Mrs. Vikas Singh also to be there at the dais.
Congratulations, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sanya, go.
Thank you.
The runners-up in this category is Mr. Jatin Dhamija and Mr. Vijay Bishnoi. Mr. Vijay Bishnoi is the Secretary of the Rouse Avenue Court Bar Association.
And those wearing new shoes. They are true sportsmen also.
Well fought, Vijay and Jatin. The next category, women doubles below 40. And this trophy has been sponsored by our ex-treasurer, Mr. Mohit Gupta, advocate, in the memory of his late father, Shri Bharat Bhushan Gupta. Mr. Mohit Gupta is not present, it seems, with us. Mr. Vishal and Mr. Pankaj Dhuri. I request the two of you to please come to the dais to present the trophy on behalf of Mr. Mohit Gupta. Are you there? I request Mr. Kunal Malhotra to please present the trophy on behalf of Mr. Mohit Gupta. The winners in this category is Mr. Rimat Batra, Divyanand and Mr. Divyangna Malik. Sorry, Miss Rimali Batra and Miss Divyangna Malik. Rimali Batra and Miss Divyangna Malik.
Yes, sir.
I request Miss Chandrika Gupta and Miss Vidhi Gupta to please take the trophies on their behalf.
Yes, we will take it.
Don't run away with the trophies, just take it and hand it over to them.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
The runners-up in this category, please, you are requested to stay back. The runners-up here to be declared. The runners-up are Miss Abhilasha Nautiyal and Miss Aswari Jain. Miss Asawari Jain and Miss Abhilasha Nautiyal. Please come forward and accept the trophy.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. The next category.
Thank you.
The next category is mixed doubles below 40. This trophy has been sponsored by Miss Ranjana Roy, advocate, in the memory of late Mrs. Raj Rani Roy, her mother. I request Miss Ranjana Roy to be there at the dais. The winners in this category is her sister Nancy Roy and Raghav Katyal. The trophy goes to the family.
Thank you.
The runners-up in this category is Miss Rimali Batra and Mr. Abhishek. Miss Ranjana Roy, Prime Minister, requested to please stay back. Mr. Abhishek has collected it on behalf of Miss Rimali Batra also. Miss Rimali Batra seems to be not present in the function today. The next category is women singles above 40, and the trophy for this category has been sponsored by Mr. Rajat Wadhwa, former Joint Secretary of the DHCBA, in the loving memory of Shri O.P. Wadhwa, a member of our bar. And the Miss Vidhi Gupta is there to represent Mr. Wadhwa on this occasion. The winner in this category is Miss Swati Singh Malik, again a trophy winner. Sir, you would find Swati in every tournament that the DHCB organizes. And the runner-up in this category is Miss Sunita. I request Miss Chandrika to please collect the trophy on her behalf and hand it over to Miss Sunita later. And the last category which remains is men's doubles above 40. This trophy has been sponsored by Mr. Pratik Lakra and Mr. Avi Singh, advocate, on behalf of E-Notary. I request Mr. Pratik Lakra and Avi to please come over on the stage. The winners in this categories are Mr. Karthik Nayyar and Mr. Sumer Bajaj.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
So the runners-up in this categories are Mr. Saurabh Kalia and Mr. Sameer Chaudhary. Please come on.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I request all the sponsors who are here to please come on to the dais, and so that we can have a photograph with the honorable judges and the bar members. The sponsors, they wish to have all the sponsors who have sponsored the trophies and the hampers are requested to please come over so that a picture can be clicked for them.
मैंने बहुत किया
Yes, sir. Ready? Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request everybody to please take their seats. I request Mr. Sachin Puri, our Vice President, to please give the vote of thanks. Just a small fact before I finish. I request the winners and runners-up to please collect their hampers from the dais gifted by Mr. Chaudhary. These are 42 hampers. I request all of you to please collect before leaving the place.
First of all, a big thank you to Honorable Mr. Justice Rao and Mr. Justice Samre for taking out time today evening and being here. Thank you to all the senior advocates, seniors at the bar and my friends. Just one thing as I conclude and not keeping anyone back. Please remember that my young executive who has organized this event are also lawyers and they have taken out time during the week and the weekends to be here daily for this tournament. A big round of applause for them. As also for the members of the staff who have been here throughout. And a big thank you to all the sponsors for coming forward and sponsoring the event. Hari sir is going to say one thing and just requesting all the winners, please do contribute to the Punjab Relief Fund.
That apart, I want all the younger members of the executive who have organized this to get together for a group photograph, please, as a memory for what, or for your capabilities of what you can do, which I am very soon going to utilize. Please come.
So Vidhi, please Vidhi, Amit, Nitesh, Chandrika, Shrey, Kunal, of course Kanika is not there, led by Kunal, Lakshay.
Bye, thank you.
By the way, whoever is left here and yet not gone for the food, let me tell you, these trophies were specially got made for this.
I'd say that this is the best trophy I've received. One of the best aesthetically looking trophies. So kudos to the team. Kudos.
And we have to keep fighting with the trophy maker on daily basis. Amit, please join us. You really sweated out during the event. We need you. Even whoever the winners and runners-up and participants, please join us. Shrey, join us. अरे खड़े रहे, फुटबॉल में जाना है, मैंने भी जाना है, मेरी टीम हार भी गई है, आजा। Vikram, please join us. Nitesh, Vikram, please join us for a photo. Premlata ma'am, are you here? Kajal ma'am. Sir, Hari sir, from Mr. Satish Chaudhary. Thank you. Agli baar aapse lenge sir, we have a sponsor for the next time. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you so much. ये बचे हुए मनी प्लांट कहाँ जाने हैं भाई? ये जाने कहाँ है ये? अगले इवेंट के लिए हाँ अमित अगले इवेंट पे जा रहे हैं ये बचे हुए मनी प्लांट।
नहीं वोट सपोर्ट
चंद्रिका क्या कहना चाह रहे हो?
That Amit Chaudhary is requesting support for his brother Kunal Chaudhary in the DUSU elections. Standing for
From ABVP, he is contesting ballot number 3. Whoever knows any students in the DU, please support him for secretary ballot number 3.
थैंक यू सचिन सर।
हम इलेक्शन का कोई काम नहीं छोड़ते।
जब तक मेरी शक्ल फैंसी आ जाए यहाँ पे फोटो खींचेगी। फैंसी आ जा श्रेय फुटबॉल बाद में खेल लियो। बैठ जा यही बैठ जा। खींचो सर सरीन साहब। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
फिक्स मैच मैं भी कहूँ
अभी सिंगल्स में हरा के दिखाऊंगी आपको।
थैंक यू
कटन हुआ